See these dogs in your front yard? Just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
Yeah,
that shit for sure look good, but damn.
it look like it's on bags. Coilover's gonna be hard though. Crazy Dave back at it again with some coilovers for the yokes. Good work before work. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but you know, look at this is progress already. I started recording a little late, but as you can see, he already got, you know, some of this done. I helped with a little bit, not a lot though. I ain't gonna lie. He had the SR Performance on there at first, but he wanted to change his rod height a little bit, so now he could change it on the go. Alright, go ahead. Ooh, and that is out. Oh yeah, making good progress, baby.
Oh.
It's clean though, like when it's set up done, it's gonna be clean. Like it look beautiful. What's the name of these joints again?
Motherfucking
What's the name of these? MaXpeedingRods. Focus on performance. Oh, dang, they even do rods and pistons at this place. Well, we'll see how they springs go, well, how they coilovers go first. Then we see if we can move forward with anything else. As you can see, it's a lot of quality stuff in here, though. I ain't gonna lie. It's nice as hell. Look at that. Oh, you might be on to something. Huh?
You put this shit on?
The boat? Oh shit, I'm bullshitting. Okay, so it'd be alright if you start working smarter and not harder. He kick his own ass.
I be thinking about most power tools and shit. Oh, fuck.
You can sell these bitches, bro.
I can't sell anything.
It makes sense.
Oh shit,
Yeah, bro, you gonna have to do some adjusting. Cause it's low.
A lot of it.
Bring them over down slowly.
Oh yeah, I'll try.
Ooh. That's fitment right there. Yeah.
Should I do the front or wait for another day?
You might as well do the front now. We out here. We is out here. Hey, bounce on the back of that real quick, Mike. Pause. Did you hear what he just said?
Yeah, I heard it.
Hey, yo, man! Pause! That's another Queens from Ayo moment. Ooh, wheeze. And there's a little stable. When we find I need to purchase something. That's nice though. It's the difference between his and mine, because I got hella gap still on mine.
You get more motherfuckers too.
What you think, Mike? Is this a smart decision or this boy's crazy? This nigga crazy, right?
That's who he is. Crazy day.
Yeah, that is a nigga name. They look hard though. These some cute ass coilovers. How much you pay for these? Ooh, put this on the back of my Christmas list. I still gotta do my suspension on my car. Damn near. Hell yeah. But he can adjust them though, so that's the beautiful point of coilovers. But knowing him, he ain't gonna adjust them. I'm riding around looking like a crazy man. Especially with the work you gotta do
How
to
you gonna
adjust
get over
them.
them train tracks, nigga? I don't wear it that way.
He'll be alright. You gotta drive responsibly when you low like this.
That shit, this is
Oh yeah. I'm about to say, hey, nigga, don't put it back there. Moving pretty fast there, sir. Like you still got it. I'm about my feet.
you going down with it?
You said what? Down, fucked up, and you getting this thing up.
Oh shit.
You gotta jack it back up for a second, please. This nigga put it down. You asked him if he was a real one? Him? Yeah. Come on, dude.
Man, water, anything. I don't give a fuck. Damn, that's it. Yeah.
Boy, the adjustment on these is gonna be fire. Like, the way you could just take that little thing and adjust them, even though you probably gonna have to do that before you just ride up out of here. It's gonna be hard, dude. We used to work on cars. We retired, but you know, we decided to do this for the YouTube channel.
They gotta touch my car in at least a year.
It's It's been a while. We used to work on cars, but we don't work on cars no more. It's not fun. No, hold on. Yeah. Huh? Fitment is crazy though. Hey, this motherfucker coming along. Nah, it's coming along though for real. It's gonna be super low to the ground. You gotta adjust, for real, for real. Looking at this is crazy. All right, let's let it down. Man, that motherfucker sliding over here a little bit. Woo! Boy, look at that fitment on that motherfucker, boy. Bro. Oh my God. Bro, this shit is low. Oh, the exhaust on the ground down there? It ain't, but goddamn. Hey, nigga. Yo. Bro. It's too low. This nigga.
This nigga gonna drive it at me? I don't know.
Yeah. You see how he used to drive before?
I can tell you how you know.
Oh my God, yo, this motherfucker low. This man crazy. Another day with Crazy Dave, bro. This car too damn low. My shit's sort of like this. Hey, look at that motherfucking camera, nigga. Oh my God, bro. Too low!
Too low, Dave. Too low, Dave.
Now this is a thumbnail for your ass. What you think, Mike?
So that's literally what we just talked about.
No, I'm saying, what you think about this lowness and getting home and survival?
I mean, it ain't too many bumps, like,
Oh, so he's trying to drive it like this.
cause I ain't about like the one thing, like, where I stay at. They got once I got off the highway, I'll take the MaXpeeding.
You gotta think you can't ever go over no speed bumps. But because I can get under the speed.
I can get 3 fingers.
Three fingers under that bitch.
That ain't even the part you gotta worry about. Look, it's up here where you gotta worry. He brought what from American Muscle? You need to put that bumper on, nigga. That bumper finna be on the motherfucking ground, nigga. It look like you on bags with the bags down. But it's the ultimate test. If you can get out this driveway, you might be alright. Hey nigga, when them front wheels come off, nigga.
Nigga, when we say stop, stop.
That shit right hitting the fender and shit. With that wide ass turn you doing. god, nigga. Wait, hold up, nigga. It's not gonna work. Yo, it ain't, yo, Mike, look at this shit, nigga. Bro, that shit not gonna work.
It's not gonna work, bro.
Look how low, nigga, that shit was on the ground right there. Yeah, YouTube, that's gonna include this video, man. Dr. D, he still got a crazy day. He still got a, he got a lot to figure out. He didn't quite get things to go the way he wanted to go, but I gotta go to the trap, get some money, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. It's 302. We up out of here, baby.
It's for the YouTube?
Yeah.
Hey, follow 302 Nightmare, fucking like, subscribe, and that's it. Comment too, bitch.